My hair used to be dull and frizzy, but after trying OGX's Brazilian Keratin Therapy shampoo and conditioner, I'm obsessed. The shampoo is infused with coconut oil, keratin proteins, avocado oil, and cocoa butter, giving my hair the perfect balance of strength and softness. It cleanses without stripping my hair of moisture, and it really smooths the cuticles so my hair feels silky and strong. But the magic happens when I pair it with the conditioner. This exclusive blend works together to strengthen and soften my hair, adding a luxurious shine I didn't think was possible. It's like my hair's getting a total refresh every time I use it. What I love most is that it's made with natural ingredients. OGX really focuses on beauty that's pure and simple. It's sulfate-free and paraben-free, and the results speak for themselves. My hair looks healthier, shinier, and feels so much smoother. And the scent? It smells amazing. The mix of coconut oil and cocoa butter gives it this irresistible tropical vibe that lasts all day. If you're looking for soft, shiny, and healthy hair, I definitely recommend giving this combo a try. Check the link in the comments to get yours, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that thumbs up if you want to see more. Thanks for watching.